So in this video here we are using the disposal glass, avoid basically putting the ear, putting the eyes, making its mouth, making a cut on the both side in this way using the cell and elastic, and just tuck it up and downward of the glass in this way. So you will get a moving cork is ready. In the next we are using this green strip and just pasting it like that, so you will get this structure. Now making the face of the frog, putting its hand and leg, it's ready. In the next we are using here a yellow sheet and making a fold by flipping it up. Again we are making fold on the upward side, so you will get a heart like shape. And now here we are using the same color sheet and making a plate like structure. Now we are putting this onto the top, putting the eyes and putting the tongue. A moving mouth of the frog is ready. In the next we are using here a green sheet, making a fold, making a cut in between. Now applied a tape on the downward side and pasting it up, so you will get this type of structure. Now using this stick on the front and back side, now putting the face, a moving caterpillar is ready. In the next we are using here a white sheet, making a circle with the help of sellotape, so you will get a cute rabbit is ready, which is having a open mouth. Now putting the plastic, stuffing the mouth with the balloon, so you will get this. In the next we are using here a small sheet, a pinky sheet, and folding it up to make a cartoon. So any guesses what it could be? It's a Pokemon, using the color to make the face, and it's ready. In the next we are using here a light blue small sheet, making a cut on each side, making the face, smiley face basically. You will get a moving caterpillar is ready in this way. In the next we are using here a mask and now cutting it up in this way, putting the string on the behind and putting the cartoon on the front. It's ready. In the next here we are using the light green sheet and cutting it up in this way. Now taking another sheet, making a cut on the both sides and putting it on this sheet. Now it's turn to make a plate, so you will get this type of structure. It's a fan like thing. Now using the string of the mask to put it all together, so you will get this structure. Now putting it on the back of this box, so you will get that it's ready. Making more like that. In the next here we are using a orange sheet, making a fold on the both side, and now you will get this type of structure, so which can be suitable to make a fold as per your requirement. Now making a fold on one side in this way, doing the same on the both side and putting all together, so you will get this thing at the end. Isn't it look interesting? In the next we are using here a yellow sheet, making a fold in between, making a small fold on the each side, so here a letter box is ready. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.